the goshawk. 0 to 40 miles an hour in under a second. The fastest acceleration of any bird of prey, with unparalleled agility. Yet even she can be outmaneuvered. Other, much smaller creatures here possess astonishing abilities that can defeat the phantom of the forest. With specialized eyesight adapted to low light, the chickadee is first to spot the airborne threat. A coded message, broadcasting the hawk's position and speed. Squirrels not only recognize the chickadee's call, they've learned to mimic it, almost perfectly. In seconds, the warning is retweeted from one animal to another. It relays through the forest at over 100 miles per hour. More than twice as fast as the hawk. You don't have to be big and tough to survive. What you really need are friends. Welcome to the world of animal alliances, where creatures communicate and collaborate in wonderful ways and form the most unexpected partnerships.